Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and let me show you the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the email number of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is *##225#*##*#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can open the calendar info. Here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country or festivals, what's more, some birthdays and events saved on the phone or attached to your mail. So this is the best option to choose, the best section to choose if you want to check the events, because here they are just grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code. It is *##759#*##*#. And as you can see, here we've got, let's say, some technical info. Here we've got the brand code, current backoff, we've got the next alarm we've got set, we've got also initial retry delay. We can check the pings we've done on this device, some events also. Here you can change the sorting type. And also we can view clients' IDs. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in a diagnostics. We've got here the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events and we can check some further details, technical ones. Let's say on the on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, tap on the status, and as you can see here we can check some further details, for example like heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which is which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone, battery, Wi-Fi infos, and also usage statistics. Let me pick the phone info for the very first option, and as you can see, this application does not work on this device. I have no idea why, probably because we do not have our SIM inserted, but if you will have one, no worries, you will be able to check the phone information. There you will be able to check, for example, current network or run the ping test. What's more, we've got the battery information, so here we can check the battery status, for example, level, scale, health, voltage, or even temperature. Let's get back and let me tap on the usage statistics, and here we've got the list of apps and processes which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time, so here we can check that we've been using the settings for almost 30 minutes. Of course, we can change the sort type by we can change it from usage time to the launch count or app name. So obviously, for example, after tapping on app name, it will just be changed and the apps will be listed alphabetically. Let me get back and let me check the Wi-Fi information, and as you can see, we can check the API configuration or the status. Obviously, after tapping on the configuration, you will be able to check some networks, and here you've got all the information about that. We've got also the API. You can disable network, disconnect, enable network, configure networks, or in the status you can refresh the stats and you will be able to check, for example, SSID or network ID. You will be also able to run the ping test and you will have to open it again. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.